Hello and welcome back to the channel. Not going to be a big working on the car this weekend video because unfortunately it's Saturday night and it's Father's Day weekend, so I've got other stuff I've got to do tomorrow. I've been waiting on my parts to get in and I didn't actually get in until last night, so I couldn't go get them until today. But I ordered a bunch of parts for the car. We've also gone and had it aligned and we found some of the weak points that we're going to have to be addressing after Gambler 500. I don't have enough time to get the parts in or made before Gambler 500, but it is within spec for the tow and everything on the car. But actually, we'll jump right into that. So, insert a video here of what we found. That is a little video clip of underneath the rear of the car. If you can tell, both rear lower control arms on the suspension are bent a little bit, and they're stopping the car from becoming perfectly aligned. Now, that's not new. That was there when I got the car, and I wasn't sure if it was supposed to be that way. I was pretty sure it wasn't, but the car was within spec at the time, and it aligned to within spec on the previous lift. Even though I think I knocked it back out of spec when I was wheeling it during the storm. But, so we discovered that is not allowing us to get a perfect alignment, and I'm going to be upgrading the rear of the car to heavy-duty adjustable lower control arms, as well as heavy-duty adjustable rear trailing arms. So, once that's done, this car will be perfectly aligned, and it'll be, shouldn't have any problems with wear on the tires. Other things that we found were the passenger side rear brake line. I have a new one right here. It's in a box. It is cheap little part, new brake hose. It'll get the job done. Something managed to take a chunk out of that since the last time I really drove the car. I think probably while I was rallying it one time. So we'll get that fixed. And I bought brand new brake pads. I'm going to turn the rotors myself, get everything cleaned up and ready. So that way we have plenty of stopping power on this rally. And I got all brand new CV axles ordered for the car. Brand new heavy duty. Different people have different opinions. I prefer the warranty I've got on the parts I get, so I went with the ones I'm used to using. I've had plenty of good luck with them in the past. I've gone over everything on the car. We're not having any overheating issues. It drives great down the freeway. The one thing is it's so slow. I mean, come on, this 1.8 liter is just not that great. It's reliable. It gets the job done. But going down the freeway, it doesn't get out of third gear. First, third, just drive it like you're normal. Because it'll pull itself up a hill just fine. It'll pull itself over obstacles just fine. But on the freeway, once it hits overdrive gear, it doesn't have the power to maintain speed. So, third gear all the time. It doesn't turn a significant number of RPMs more than it did with in overdrive with the old tires. So, I mean, it is what it is. We're going to live with it until the bigger motor gets built, and then we'll deal with it from there. Once the bigger motor is built, I'm also going to be building the drivetrain. So, re-gearing the differentials, a whole bunch of modifications are going to be going on there. Anyways, upcoming for this week, and for the next couple of weeks, or a few weeks, we're going to be doing more than one video a week. Definitely our weekend uploads are still going to be happening. But I'm just going to try to focus everything I can on getting this car done and ready. I've still got some body work to do. I've been driving the car, put a bunch of miles on it. So, wear points figured out. And just a second, I'll be right back. And we are back. As I was saying, we've got some modifications to do. I need to brace up the fenders a little bit. I need to build the rock sliders, which I'm going to be releasing as a product from the company. I need to get the strut tower brace done for the front. the rock sliders, the rear bumper, and the front bumper all finished, which that's not a whole lot of difficulty. The biggest difficulty will be the rock sliders. The way I want to do them, I have not seen done, so I'm planning to make it cool, very cool looking, and we'll see how it goes. I'm thinking it'll be really good though. Other than that, just basics on the car. I need to do an oil change for Gambler 500. I need to clean the air filter, finish the snorkel, redo my CD antenna, and then get all the new parts installed along with the air conditioning parts. And we'll be ready for Gambler 500. And yes, the radiator is still going to be held in the zip tie, with zip ties. Total roadkill status. But, oh, we're also going to be redoing the skid plate on the car. As you guys might be able to tell, it's not there. Reason being, it's pretty heavy. It was causing the car to actually air dam and get hot. And, you know, it was something I figured out before it became a problem. During the winter months, it was okay. It actually helped the car stay warm. But during the summer months, it's not such a good thing. So we're going to build a light, what I'm going to call the light duty skid plate for the summer runs. It'll just protect the oil pan. It won't protect the headers. So it'll be on me, the driver, to do that. And we're going to protect the oil pan and the transmission pan. We're going to tie it into the rock sliders back there. And then we're going to build a rear diff guard and a fuel tank guard. So we got some work ahead of us. Probably a couple of good weekends worth, at least. And yeah. But I hope everybody enjoys the videos. I hope everybody sticks around for what's coming up. And I'm going to go ahead and say this now. The Gambler 500 video is going to be a one video, not two, like the Winter Wonderland 500 was. The reason for that is the Winter Wonderland 500 video didn't go over very well. So I'm going to change back to the style where I just kind of take the whole video, kind of try and shove everything into it, and make one video instead of two videos. It might be a little bit longer because we're going to do 3 days of Gambler 500. So we'll see how it goes. It obviously will not be uploaded until at least a week after the Gambler 500 event. I'm going to try and upload that all at once. I might have to split it into 3 episodes just to get it out there in faster uploads. But we'll see. I hope everybody enjoys the channel. If you want, feel free to give it a like or leave a dislike. If you also want to, you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I'm far more active on Instagram. And, well, as you can see, we're starting to make some progress on the car. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and see you guys next time.